Today I introduce you another our special building, a building for placing the potentially hazardous production line. Okay, as you may see, it's a different situated building, small but very useful because there are also a special laboratory equipment. It's a special laboratory equipment for reactors for production up to 1 kilogram of carbon nanomaterials like multi-volt nanotubes per hour. For reactors, it's right now it's closed because some cold there. But it's a complete and workable production line with the system of maintenance and management at the second floor. Second floor there is a special room for energy consumption management devices, some danger predict devices, and some our own built maintenance and management software. Okay, you will see it's one part of our laboratory activities too, to develop a new technology of production carbon nanomaterials. You may see, for example, special developed software for manage each of these 4 reactors. It's our own built software, specially built by our software department.